Alright, my YouTube friends, we are trading live this morning. I have just finished trading for about 2.5 hours. I want to show you what just happened on gold. Something really awesome just happened. I basically had my best morning yet. Right here, you see that gold dropped all the way down. I got in somewhere around here. Went in a few more times as it went up, and the thing plummeted like I knew that it would. And the Goldenrod system comes through once again. Good morning. I'm the Goldenrod. It is 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, February the 3rd, 2025. Going to go over a few of the 5-minute trades this morning to show you what I got in, how things worked out, etc., etc. So let's go to the account history. I'm going to blow your mind. This has been the best day yet. I am very excited about this last trade, okay? So let's go over. My MT4 is a little slow. We're going to go all the way up. Alright, so as you can see, I started a little bit. Oh yeah, I did put in one trade last night and pulled out about 50 bucks just because the market opened up and I wanted to play around. So that's a little extra right there, but started this morning right about here, a little after 6 o'clock this morning. As you can tell, everything is positive. Let's go down through this. I'm running a lot of stuff in the background. I'm actually taking a challenge to try to win a prop firm challenge over at Rebels Funding. Not sure how I'm going to come out on it, but so far so good. So if you see a little bit of lag time over here, it's because I have a lot of stuff up on the screen. So continuing to go down, everything positive still. And oops, let's go still positive. I have one loser right here on the pound CAD, but you can see the winner overtook it, so it's all positive. Again, all the way positive. Here's my gold trade. As you can see, I did take a $1,300 loss, but that is edged aside the $2,300, the $1,000, and the $2,000 gain. So folks, I made $8,200 today in 2.5 hours with the Goldenrod system. So really good trades going on this morning. Let's go back through. Also, if you hear me stuttering just a little bit, it's because I'm looking at my other chart over here on the challenge that I'm taking. So bear with me. I shouldn't be doing 3 things at once when I'm doing a video, but doggone it, I can't help it. It's just been too great of a morning. Alright, let's go backwards here a little bit. Again, my lines over here dictate the 5-minute chart and where you could have traded, and it's where I mostly traded on the charts today. So as you can see, great trade right here all the way down. Really good on platinum. Coming over here to sweet crude, again another nice sell, went up a little bit, finally fell. Good trade. It's going to be a good buy trade here in a little bit probably. Let's go over here to gold. Again, there's my gold trade, and it's still coming back down again, so we'll leave that one alone. S&P 500, another good up trade, got one there. Boom. You actually had another one flake off right here, but the candle was so large it went to the other side and already out, so no trade there. NASDAQ, come on buddy, come on up, don't freeze on me. Here we go. Actually, there was nothing in the NASDAQ this morning. This was your only trade right here on the, well, I take that back, no it wasn't, our Aqualine, and the other hadn't crossed, so that was just a freak surge upward. Let's go over here to silver. There was a silver trade here this morning, and yes, like I've said, my channel is a hybrid channel. It does move a little bit, but at this time right here, both the Goldenrod and the Aqualine was outside of my channel, and that would have been a great trade. Nothing else as of yet, staying out of all that. Singapore dollar, let's take a peek, and we had one good trade on the Singapore dollar right here this morning and up. Probably was snagged out of that over here at the double top, and we're waiting for maybe something else. NAS yen, another good 5-minute trade up. Nothing here. It was close, but nothing here. Again, this surged up. That's a no-go. So too quick. Over here on the NAS Chief, we got pretty much another bottom. Might have got in another time here, but again, the channel at the time, This was a valid trade. That's why I marked them early in the morning, and it went up. Good trade there. This was not. None of that counts. This one would have counted. I'm going to go ahead and mark this, and the candle did not go to the other side, so this would have been valid and you would have made your money right there. NASCAD, nothing. USD NAS had a good sell trade right there. Bam, would have been out of that, setting up for another good sell trade probably. Let's go to the CAD Yen 5 minute. Come on, there we go. Had a good buy trade there this morning, still set in stone all the way up. And again, there was another one, but too big of a candle to do anything with. No touchy. Let's go to the Chief Yen. Let's see here. Almost looks like the same. Yeah, anyway, up, great trade. Nothing down here. Too big of a candle, it surged. Let's go to the CAD Chief. Again, not much to make here, but this was a buy. Still worked out just fine. And in fact, like I have taught on previous videos, that when you have something like this and it comes back down and it doesn't change, it goes up and it doesn't change the direction, if it comes back to the other side again, you could have actually bought right there and actually caught this surge all the way up. So that was one, but again, I'm just marking the Goldenrod system trade so you can see them clear as day. Again, another buy here this morning, another sell this morning, and again, you got the surge that didn't really count. Pound CAD. What was this on the pound? Okay, this was a sell, and what happened was you would have got in here on that, which is kind of crazy. This was all different this morning, and you would have went in here again up here, and this thing surged down and you would have got out. So a couple of areas you could have got in. This wasn't the greatest area, but again, my channel was more down here. You still had some down here to fall on to get in for some profit, but overall still worked out as the Goldenrod system does. Pound Chief, nice sell right there, boom, and you do not have anything else past that. Let's pull all this over. Man, I am really bogged down. You would not believe how many things I have open on my screen up here. I normally have like 50 or 60 things open because I do a lot of video watching while I'm trading and a lot of listening on things. Nothing on the pound Audi this morning, so that one's dry. Let's go over to the Audi NAS. Nothing on the Audi NAS this morning, another dry one. Look at that thing. My goodness, how big was that? That was only 22 pips. Sure looks like it's bigger than it is. Audi Yen had a couple of trades right here, all the way up, right here, all the way down, and then nothing. Audi CAD. Nothing on the Audi CAD this morning, and still nothing. Audi USD. One all the way down, good trade. Nothing up here, but it's probably setting up for a sell for a little bit. Audi Chief. Let me see here. We got just one, it looks like, all the way up. Nothing up here. And again, this is one. I'll go ahead and mark it. Oops. As you can see, oh no, it's not. No, it is not. My apologies. Let me get rid of this line. Hold on. My eyes are scanning too quickly. Come on, delete. Basically, your Goldenrod is out, but your Aqua is not, even though it produced a nice little signal down here. We're still on the inside, so we wouldn't take that. Euro Yen. Nothing. Euro Chief 5 minute. Nothing. Euro CAD 5 minute. Nothing. Euros don't want to trade this one on the Euro Pound all the way down. Boom. And then, let's see, what time was this? 16. Yeah. Right there, you had one all the way up. So there's two good ones this morning. So the Euro Audi, nothing. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, what time was that? 14:40. That might have been one, but I'm not going to count it. Nothing there on the USD CAD. One on the yen all the way up, and then nothing. The Chief, nothing on the chief, but it's possibly setting up for one. The pound, I had one all the way down, and that's it. The euro had one trade, both in the same area all the way down, and nothing after that. You know, I want to point out, do you see how it keeps us out? I know the lizard brain is thinking, man, if I would have got in right on that, I could have rode that all the way up. Well, coulda, woulda, shoulda, but it doesn't work that way. And these big surges like that, you know, you want to be in on a trade before they happen. And that's how I got out of my gold trade this morning. I was in on this stuff before it surged where I knew it was probably going to go, and it did. So let me move this line over a little bit. This is my timeline, just in case I've got questions on where to put these lines. So after 1740 from here forward is where I can put them. All right, let's go count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, hang with me, 12, that's the same trade, so 12, come on, 13, 14, little one for 15, 16, 17, 18, nothing there. Come on, buddy. We're at 18, 19, 20, 21. That was close, but no cigar. 21, 22, 23. Come on, 23, nothing there. 24. Come on, 24, 25. Oh, you know what? On that one, I'm going to go 25, 26, 27 because that was, as you can see, I was in like 3 times. So it's 27 on that one. Yes, I'm going to give myself credit for that. 27, 28. Come on, 28, 29. And that's just my extra one over here. Okay, 29 trades. All of them are winners. I'm closed out of everything, and that's how you know they're all winners because I'm not trading anything right now. And I made $8,200 in 2.5 hours. Crazy! And I won't even go through the one. You know what? Let's just, for the heck of it, let's just pick one that had a decent. Here we go. Let's go to the 30-minute chart and see what the S&P 500 had on here for 1-minute trades. Remember, we're going to mark the last time the Goldenrod system popped off, which was right there. Oh, you know what? I've already got a line over there. Let me delete this one and pull that right there. Come on, there we go. Guess what? We're only buying. So let's go to the 1-minute chart, shove it back to 1400, which is 6 o'clock Central Standard Time. And see what that would have done for buys. Alright, so it's right about here. So we knew we had a 5-minute go off there, but we also had a 1-minute go off there. So there's a good 1 on the 1-minute. That was close, but no cigar. Here is 2 on the 1-minute. So a couple of good trades on the US 500, which is the S&P 500. There were 2 good trades. Hold on just a minute, folks. I am going to make a trade over on my competition really quick. Give me just a second. Just a second, folks. Need to go over on the 1 hour chart on platinum. Pull some of these down a little bit. I'm learning that my platinum skew on the bid and the ask is a little bit more than I like it to be. Had no idea there was such a wide platinum skew. Trying to get my chart over here. There we go. Alright, so a couple of good trades on the 1 minute. You know, hypothetically, let's say there was one trade on the 1 minute for every pair. That's 33 extra trades, plus we'll say 30. That's 63, but it was 29, so 62. There were 62 trades in the first 2.5 hours of trading this morning. Again, there is no shortage of these trades. I don't care if you're trading nights. I don't care if you're trading days. It doesn't matter. Okay? So, awesome sauce. Let's go over here. Let's go back through. Let me change that back to 5 minutes. I'm going to mess myself up. Alright, let's see what's going on over here. We have nothing there. Let's just go through them really quick. You know, I want to jump in on this, but I ain't gonna. I'm gonna refrain. Oh, hold on. Let's go back here. You know, it's the same trade, and I've already counted it, but we'll put that there. What do we got up here? Boy, that's hitting that top channel. That's going to be a nice one a little bit. Oh, another nice one. Where's that top channel at? Come on. It's still up there a little ways. Let's take a look at silver. No, nothing there. Nothing here, but it's setting up. Ah, this is going to be a good one. It's already slapped out at the top of the channel there. Here's another NAS Chief. Nothing. And you know, we're probably going to have a lot of nothing right now because they've already made their big moves, and it's going to take a little bit. Now this one right here, I want to go over something again. So this top channel that I have up here, this is my highest out channel. And long story short, when I get a couple of dots up here, that means you're going to go in on it. Okay, when it's done a double top on the very top of this channel, it's a safe bet and a sure thing to say, hey, this thing is coming down. So we have what, 2 minutes left on the 5 minute. So you know what, I'm going to sit here for a minute. Just remember the chief yen with me. We'll come back at it. Nothing there, nothing there. Boy, that's hitting a couple times too. There, nothing. Got the dogs all riled up outside for some reason. I don't know what's going on. I wish they would shut up. Love dogs, but not when I'm talking on YouTube. Nothing there. Nothing there. See, this one's setting up for one, but not quite. And no, that is it's part of the Goldenrod system, but it's not the main. I mean, it's all part of the Goldenrod system, but that isn't my main trading scenario. I just take those because they're so dang precise. And we've got, I think, nothing. Yeah, I'm going to have to give it some time, probably about the next 10-15 minutes. So what was it, the chief yen? Let's go back and look at that really quick. I appreciate you being with me here this morning and looking over a few things. Another minute or so, and if it stays, we'll get into that trade. And once I click in, I will click out of here from being live and basically let you go for a little bit. And I'll be doing a few videos and maybe a short or two through the day, but man, really good trading this morning. I got out of everything when I was in that gold trade. I wanted to preserve some of my margin, etc., while I was in it, but when it finally chose to do what it was supposed to do, it did it. And it was just a really good trade. Okay, I am in platinum right now over on the challenge. You know, I don't plan on winning this challenge because you got a bunch of crazy people over there that just go bonkers. One person went in 17 lots on the US yen this morning and made about $13,000, but I guarantee in the next 20 trading days they will not be around if they continue to do that. So we'll see where I score in all of this. I really don't have high hopes because I know there are way better traders than myself out there across this world, and I am just one of few that does my best to do what I do. Alright, we're selling. Boom. I'm in a sell. I'm going to pull this down, and because it's so high up, I'm going to put that to about the middle of my channel for an out, depending on the kind of money I make. And this is the chief yen, so I will keep you apprised of where that goes. But hey, let's wrap this up. Been talking for about 21 minutes. Nothing else more to say. I'll be trading for a little bit. Come back. I'm not going to be getting into any more trades right now, just because things need to kind of loop out of these large whisks up, and things need to reset. So I'll come back a little later, let you know how I did, what's going on. But as of right now, I'm in one trade, chief yen, and I'm up 82, almost $8,300, and we'll go from there. All right, thanks for watching. Would you please like and subscribe to help push me out if you like what you see? And any questions, throw me up on the chat and ask away or talk away, and or give me an email at goldenrodtrades@gmail.com. Appreciate y'all. Talk soon. Bye-bye.